Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Been a bit of a strange day today, bouncing up and down around the same place. It's basically capitulating, getting all the retail investors out of the market, trying to drive it down, trying to drive fear in, and then we're going to break up. So we are showing green, but we should technically be red, I suppose. There we go, because we're technically red, but we're right on the line all day, bouncing around. We've had Virgin Galactic coming back up again, looking good. Let me show you the overall positions. We've got just bouncing around this midpoint. Virgin Galactic going up, Palantir going up, gold going up. The S&P just bouncing around the zero there. Amazon is down. It's all over for Amazon. Amazon are bankrupt now. That's the end of it. Can never buy Amazon again. It's going down a little bit, but yeah, same as Apple. It's all too expensive. But next year at Energy, our investments are all good, and we're green again. Let's go green. Let's go green again. We're looking nice. Phase Energy. It's had some opportunity to trim off a little bit, opportunity to buy some more. My average is 101. That's why I sold my position, halved my position. It's all free money now. I might buy some more if it's under $100. But anyway, Coca-Cola, we're good now, 8.68% up, and J&J is just been hovering around today, preparing for its next position. We're up just $1,000 now, at 3.86. So that's all looking fine. Kenvue trimmed a little bit, but that's okay. Chevron, we're up now. We were down 80% or so. We're up now, so we're going to start to trim soon when we get about 5-10%. Tesla gave us a bit of a chance to buy a bit more today. Didn't go low enough for me to buy any more. Went down as low as 237. I'd buy more under 220, but that's it. Rivian is going down. It's too expensive anyway. Somebody said to me that McDonald's dropped massively. It didn't. 0.72 to minus 0.45 isn't a big drop at all. It's just some whales dumping, but it's not that much really. Doesn't make any difference. We're still up 6.5%. How do I become a member on YouTube? Says Yardstick. Okay, let me give you the link here. Let me give you the link. Bronze, silver, or gold member, or you've got sponsor or investor level. There's all those different levels you can be at. There you go. There is the become a member. The best value membership is silver. No doubt about it. You get most for your money at silver, I would say. But anyway, if you are on I've just given you the link to join. If you want to be a member, that's how you do it. If you're on an iPhone, you will need to request a browser, use a browser, and then request a desktop version. You need a desktop version. So you just go into the browser if you're on an iPhone and go to the bottom of the browser you're using, whether it's Google Chrome or Safari or Mozilla or Firefox, whatever, and then go into the bottom tab in the settings and go request desktop server, desktop version. The reason for that is Apple tried to get a little commission on it, and YouTube don't like that. So that's how you get around that. All right, okie dokie. Google is down today, still too expensive. Microsoft, way too expensive. Walmart, trimmed back a bit, but we're up 4% now. Tesco, Tilray, rubbish. Has no direction. Robinhood, straight back up again. There we go. It's our big positions. IonQ, nice little rally there, but too expensive though. I can't pay that for it. Rocket Lab, 8% today. Fantastic. Look at that. Rocket Labs is all free money as well. This is nice. 8% today. That's a very nice little bounce. Yeah. Whoa! We have got a gold member.
Jadastic has become a member.
We have got a gold member. Very, very special. Would everybody please welcome Jadastic to the family. Jadastic has just joined the high ranks. He's joined the high ranks of, there's about 12 gold members. He's joined the elite. There you go. MSK. Look, we've got, just trying to think of the names now. Let me tell you who you join. This is who you join up there with the elite. You are in the gold membership club, which let me bring it up here. Filter by level. Gold member. You are in. Yep, you are in with KK2, who has been a gold member for 2 years from Australia. Jason Fallon, who's been a gold member for 15 months. Thomas Calise has been a gold member for 6 months. Jose Quintana has been a gold member for 3 months. So Jardastick, you join 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 currently. That is the elite club there. So Jose Quintana, Thomas, Jason Fallon, and KK2. So when you see Jason Fallon come in, you can tell him that you are one of 5 gold members. That you get one-on-one now. You get 2 hours a month if you want to call me with any help. You can have that. That's provided. So there you go. You get a lot of extra things, discounts in the shop. You go to the top of the homepage if you want to go on the YouTube channel to promote a business. If you want to promote a charity or a business or your website, whatever, I will go and do extra promotions for you to do that. So you get lots of other things. So there you go. Congratulations. Thank you so much indeed for joining as a gold member. There you go. Join the elite. So, do you know all the benefits that you get? What country are you from? What country are you from? If we don't have your country, we can fly the flag for you. Obviously, you get recognized as a member. So we've got Jadastick and is a gold member, just joined. So when everybody, already getting welcomes from everyone. Look at that. Patrick G, Mike, Rallo, Jeffrey Diamond, Puchin Pottery, Henrik from Denmark, MSK, Crag. You're getting welcomes from everyone. There you go. That's very much appreciated. James 007. Good evening, Lucas Aids. Hiya, James. James, you've been sending me via email your entries to the giveaway. I've replied back to you. You need to go and put those numbers in the competition page. No good emailing them to me. That doesn't do any good at all. You got to go to the competition page, martynlucas.com/giveaway. Go there and there's a competition page. And you've got to go to the competition. So it will say, look, enter the number you get from the video. This was the video, 1,000 tickets. We've just put a video out to get 1,000 tickets. So you go to this video, you watch it, it gives you 3 numbers, and then you enter the numbers here. You don't email me, all right? You don't email me. It doesn't say, does it? It doesn't say email Martyn the numbers. It says, put the numbers here. Tells you what to do. You got to read the instructions, guys. Otherwise, your points won't count, all right? So make sure there's the newsletter. There's the newsletter, you see, look. Tells you how to get the newsletter, where to put the number. You got to do it properly. If you don't do it properly, you can't, you're not going to win, all right? It's going to, let me refresh that. 16,000. 19,000. That means a few of you have done the latest Virgin Galactic video. Tells you which video it is. You don't have to guess or anything like that. Anyway, so Rocket Lab doing very nicely today. Very, very good indeed. Now then, Jardastick is from United States. He's just become a gold member. So if you message me, I will send you my Calendly. Should you wish to do a one-on-one with me, then you can, and you get 2 1 hours. You get 2 hours a month if you want to speak to me, regarding the website and stuff like that. YouTube and what have you. All right. Okay. And be absolutely clear. It doesn't make me your financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice. I just share my opinion. So you're not paying me to give you financial advice. That's not what I do. Do not provide that service. Okay. Guys, whoever did it properly, what's the numbers? They're not going to tell you, are they? Because if they tell you, there's no point in them doing it. It's going to give them less chance of winning. What are you on about? Hey, what are you on about? Anyway, Virgin Galactic's getting exciting now. Rocket Lab is going up. Our Lilium NV. We bought Lilium NV this afternoon. We're down a little bit on it. That's typical when you first buy a stock. But I've got an allocation of $1,000 for it. So the rest of it I'll buy if it goes down below $1. I won't be buying any more. Today I liked it. Anyway. So, Yardstick, so you can now have a 20-minute fundraiser, you can have a discount, you can celebrate your birthday, you can donate it to a loved one. The day before, the day of, or the day after, I will do happy birthday for you in the show. If you've got my newsletter, you'll get a video birthday card from me as well, something else I'm doing now. I can review a stock for you. And many perks. The number is 123. That's it. 12321. All right. And again, thank you so much for your support. It's the members that provide these live streams. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the members. All right. Thank you very much indeed for your support. Awesome. Let me bring back this ticker. This ticker a moment. In fact, when we get a gold member, we have a special thing here. We should do this now. All right? We should do this now. We have a nice big special. There it is. We've got a very special member today. This is Yardstick from the United States of America. Bit of fireworks. And welcome to the family. Thank you very much. Cheers to you. There you go. All right. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Okay, let's carry on now. We've got some stuff we have to do this afternoon. Very busy day, a lot going on. All right. So we're getting ready for tomorrow's event. Now, it still might be members only. All right. Now then, have you all seen this? First of all, let me refresh the screen. Make sure it's up to date. Let me get rid of that. Okay. So we just put out that hasn't refreshed. This should look differently, and I'm sure it will. Upcoming live stream. Let me do it. Let me click on this. Right, there we go. There's the upcoming live stream in the morning. This is going to be from Virgin Galactic Spaceport. There it is. You can join me tomorrow. Now, this may be members only. We are still voting on it. Members only for the live stream, okay? There'll be information that will come out afterwards, so nobody will miss it, but the live stream still may be members only. We're having a vote. You're going to decide, okay? You're going to go and decide. Now then, if you want to join me for this event, I better just give you the link here. This is the live from Space Port America. This is tomorrow morning. It might go early as well, so stand by for that. That's why you need to ring the bell and be notified. This is live from Spaceport America tomorrow. There you go. There's the link. Let me give it to everybody who's watching me right now on LinkedIn. Let me go over there now and give it to all of my viewers wherever you're watching me. So there is LinkedIn. If you're over there on TikTok right now, just jump into YouTube. I can give you the link for Spaceport America tomorrow. You don't want to miss this. All right. Let me go into Kick as well. Give it to my Kick audience. There is Spaceport America. Let me go into Rumble. Give you my Spaceport America link. Let me just refresh the screen in 3, 2, 1. There we go. We just got to run this ad. Let me just get past that. Okay, there we go. That's my Rumblers. I'll give it to my Twitch audience. There is Spaceport America for tomorrow. Lastly, Facebook and Facebook and X. Okay. Now then, it might be a members only. You're voting on this. All right. You can already go there, leave a comment. John Granfors, I'm loving it. John Granfors, I'm loving it, he said. I love it. I'm loving it too. Right, there you go. There is John Granfors. Let me just show you. And let me tell you why he's saying that, all right? I'm loving it. See why he's saying it? Do you know why he's saying it? Do you know why he's saying it? There's a good reason why he's saying it. Look under my shop. See on the shop button here. Can you see here? There's let me zoom in. Can I do it this way? It's hard to do all these things. It's hard. It's hard. It is. I'm telling you. Right. There's is there not? Oh, it's Virgin Galactic. There's no I'm loving it for tomorrow. Oh, look. There's no I'm loving it. It's just the Virgin Galactic mugs tomorrow. That kind of makes sense, doesn't it? But no, what he's on about is this. He's on about this. He's on about in my shop, look. I'm loving it. We've got the loving it fleeces and we've got the loving it mugs. There you go. Fantastic. Now, as a gold member, by the way, Yada, you actually get the best discounts whenever you want. Whenever you want something from my shop, let me know via email or a message, and I'll send you a code, and you can get the best discounts. And it can actually make your membership for free if you buy like a fleece or something. So yeah, there are some great deals for our gold members. Anyway, just remember that. Okay. So that's tomorrow. What am I doing here? What's going on here? Live shop. Oh, there you go. Top chat, live chat. There you go. That's better. Right. We're green again. Market's looking good. Everybody got a bit fearful today. I heard a few things. People selling out. What's going on? What am I doing? Don't worry. It's all good. Everyone gets stressed. Let me read some of these comments here a minute that I might have missed on the way in. Hello, Steve. Hi, Steve Lance. Up top for membership, or Martin will put a link. Thanks, Bill. Thank you very much indeed. Bill's helping out there. Appreciate that. Now, the other thing that, of course, you get, apart from our reply to all your comments, emails, blah, 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 you also get access to Discord as well, where you can talk to the team 24/7. If you want me to upgrade you now because you are a YouTube member, you can have a free upgrade. Here is Discord. It's free for everyone. There is Discord. If you come into the Discord, it does take 10 minutes the first time round. Come into the welcome all screen. This is the welcome all screen. The welcome all screen here. Welcome all, top left-hand corner. Scroll down and you can come into here and I'll say hi. I'll say hi to you. Jay, is Jason Fallon in yet? One of our other gold members. Hi, Jay. So once you come into here, then I will upgrade your account. All right? Okay. Martin is the only person that would admit that the best value membership isn't the most expensive one. Well, it's just the truth, isn't it? I mean, I'm not gonna make it up, am I? Yeah, the best membership is everyone should be at investor level. $499 a month. That's the one you need. That's the best one. It's the best one for me. It's not the case. I mean, you do get a lot of stuff, but the best value, how much for the penny for the pound. If you are buying merchandise, the gold membership is the best membership. You can always downgrade to silver, but silver is the best value long term. All right. Anyway, welcome. Lots of welcomes here. Patrick G's here. He's waiting for his review. I haven't forgotten you, mate. Good evening, Lucas Age. I love that. I love that. When I saw that earlier, I thought, this is brilliant. This is absolutely brilliant. Hi, Mark. I entered the numbers on the competition page. I did not email them. You did not email them. Well, somebody emailed me called James. I thought it was you, James. It was James 7, I think it was. So I thought it was you. Anyway, somebody emailed me. Guys, whoever did it properly, what's the numbers? Good afternoon and Happy New Year. Nice to see we are on for a green day today. Saw that Kathy Wood ETS have been buying Rocket Lab and Tesla this week. Yes. Rocket Lab is doing nicely today. I'm very, very pleased with that. I'm not selling any of this now. I'm just holding this long term now. It's all free money. And of course, Tesla is doing well. It's gone back up a bit. It's still a good time to buy it though, but I'd rather buy it cheaper, to be honest with you. I think on earnings we'll get a little dip. Anyway, I'm fully invested now anyway. Welcome, said Mark. Fight Channel, that was yesterday's. Howdy, here he is, Caden Youngquist. What a boring first week of 2024. I don't think it's boring. I think it's great. We've had a great week. We've managed to get some Lilium NV. We bought ourselves a new position here today. We did a review on it. I think it's been quite exciting, really. I'm happy. But then I'm always happy, right? So maybe it's, whatever. It's a bloodbath for me this week. Jeez, Amazon Enphase. Well, Amazon, you should have sold that like 3 months ago. When I sold it, I said, this is the top. We need to be out of this now. It's going to go down in the new year. All the numbers were on the wall. It's because of the inflation and the price. And if you look at the business, if you look at the earnings, it was all there clearly. And, hence why institutions have dropped it for a while. They'll be back, but Amazon is, Amazon and Apple, not doing great. And they're going to get worse as well. Me too, but not worried. We will recover and explode. Not at all, MSK. Yes, sir. Are they going to fly? Jumper Alpina. Virgin Galactic, no, tomorrow we're going to be there. We're going to be at Virgin Galactic tomorrow. There it is. We're going to be live at Spaceport America tomorrow. It's going to be very, very exciting. Tomorrow, live. Now, it might be a members-only event. We are voting on it, right? Let's have a look. Let's look at the poll. What does the poll say? Let's have a look. Here we go. There are 48 votes right now. 66% is saying general public. A lot of the members are saying, in fact, I reckon nearly all the members are saying members only. So it might be members only because remember, there's more general public than there are members. Even though my live viewers, 98% are members, this is people who can use X. And of course, they don't want to be a member. They want to watch it, whatever. But if it stays like that and gets pretty close, it will be members only. For me, it's not about the numbers. For me, it's not about, it's not about subscribers. It's about the service to provide my members with the best service. We can put information out later, but the live event is a different event, different thing altogether. Maybe we'll go, members only for the live event and then a recorded version later on in the day. But anyway, go and vote on it. If it's close like that, it's going to be members only, I'll tell you that, because there are more general public and people like trolls can come on here and try to spoil it. So, I'm fully aware of who's doing what, There's the poll if you want to vote on it. Okay. What else have we got? What is the poll at now? There you go. Just showed you there. So, Patrick G, you've got an idea now. I think we've covered all the questions. We have, yep. Virgin Galactic is going up. It's going up because we're going there tomorrow, see? That's what's going on. Gold, S&P, 156 now down. Still not going to buy it. Not anymore. Got enough. Enphase, 118 now. What a discount now. This is very good value for Enphase. This tells you everything you need to know. All the markets are capitulating. They're selling off to get everybody out. Retailers are out when they get scared. They dump the stock and then it goes up quickly. You wait. I'm absolutely 100% convinced we're going to get rate cuts in the spring, the summer, like I predicted a year ago. More and more evidence is suggesting it. So why are the markets selling off? People got fearful yesterday for the minutes. Why? There was nothing in the minutes that was disappointing. The minutes was perfectly normal. The minutes is basically what we knew from the last meeting. That's what the minutes are. The minutes don't reveal some secret code, but of course everyone looks at it in a negative way. Always does. It'll either exaggerate it up or exaggerate it down. Anyway. Hydro Hustler Nursery. Cheers. How are you doing? You look like a YouTuber as well. Don't forget, if you're a silver member, I can get everyone to follow your channel and loads of things. Loads of good stuff. Tesla going up. Rivian. Right. Now then, a couple of things we've got to do today. So first of all, here is the event for the morning that maybe, if it stays close like it is now, it'll be a members-only event. Again, it's not about how many views I get. It's about providing the best service. There is the event for tomorrow morning. I want to share with you some things you might have just missed. I've just put out another review. Oh, no, I beg your pardon. This review is after hours. In half an hour, 45 minutes from now, we're all going to watch this together. Okay? Low volume today. You mean volume as in trading, not my volume? My volume's fine. I think you mean trading volume. Just want to make sure you're okay and there's no issues. Lilium analysis. I bought this one today. Now, if you want to join me for live Q&A, keep the family together, keep the conversation going in the after hours, this is the event. All right, so let me give you the link for this. This is the event. We're going to be live in the after hours for a world premiere. Join me for this. Let me give you the link. Let me just close that down. There we go. So after hours, we've got another review. Lilium. Now then, is Lim Derrick in the show? Lim Derrick. Lim, are you here? No. G. Corey, are you here? No. Antonio Dela Cruz, are you here? No. Brian, are you here? Yes, low trading volume. I just wanted to make sure. Brian, Pat M, no. And R3A. These are reviews I want to give to people. R3A and Michelle. Are any of you in? Okay, not yet. So we're going to be live after hours for this one. Join me for that. This show will go directly to it. Share and copy the link. There we go. Copy the link. There you go. Just hovering around at the moment. So here we go. So world premiere. And you'll see why I bought this one this morning. Or at least you might get an idea why I bought it. There is the event. I'll pin it to the top. This is what's going to happen this afternoon. Why is this doing this? YouTube doing some really weird stuff again. You get updates and then everything stops working. Anyway, never mind. Pin message. Okay. Let me edit the live show. So this live show will go directly to it. In 45 minutes. There we go. Excellent stuff. Palantir may join the S&P in March. It'll be the first real AI company in it, Niels. That'll be good to hear. It's been scheduled to happen for a while now. Got in QS this morning so that I could add more money to space. You got in QS. What's QS? So that I could add more money to space. It's all turning green again now. The S&P is coming up. Amazon, NEE, Enphase, trimming, Coca-Cola, J&J, ready for its next position. Chevron just trimming off a bit. Okay. Now then, I also gave you, to make sure everybody got this, that's the event in the morning. This is the latest review that comes up in a minute. I put out as well 2 videos. This video here is the video where you can win $100 in cash. Latest video. Here we come. It's called. It's preparing for tomorrow morning. And this is my strategy. Let me just refresh that because that's way behind. That's better. There we go. This is my video just out an hour ago about my strategy for this year, my whole portfolio. Several of you asked, they wanted to see my full portfolio. Quantum Scope. Okay. Thank you very much, Patrick. Appreciate that. inflation news and my strategy, and I share with you my full portfolio, all my positions, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. This is my plan for the new year. This was this morning, this was an hour ago, and this was just 54 minutes ago. And this is the video where you can win $100 in cash. If you watch this video, you will probably win the $100 and enter the number, because there are 1,000 tickets available for this. Let me give you the link to it, should you wish to go and do that. All right, here you go. This is the one where you can win $100 in cash by simply watching the video. You don't have to be a member or anything. All right, let me give you the link to that. Okay, there we go. All right. Now then, Patrick G, because of, I hope you can accept my apology. I was trying to do your review today. I haven't done it today because preparing for tomorrow has taken a bit too much time. I apologize. Is it okay if your review will be next? Your review will 100% be next, no matter how much somebody gives me a super chat. Your review will be next. Is that okay? I just wanted to make sure that's okay, because I got behind with Virgin Galactic today and unable to do another review. I did one this morning. I did 3 yesterday, and I'm unable to get to your review today. Is that okay? I hope you can accept my apology. I hope that's all right. All right. Now then, for those of you who've been asking about Sensei Crypto, that's back on Sunday. Sensei Crypto is back on Sunday. No problem, Martin. Yes, it's okay. Thank you very much. I appreciate that very much. And you know I'll make extra effort when I do it. I always do. If I ever get delay anybody, I always do more when I actually do it. So I appreciate that. Okay. Let's have a look at our Lilium then. 104. Did anyone buy this? Let me have a poll. Did anyone join me on this today? Let's have a little poll here. Start a poll. Do a poll within the YouTube chat. Did you buy LILM? This morning I bought $500 of it. Let's see who did. Yes or no? Let's see if anybody bought this one. I like it because it's got enough. It's very, very small. We can't value it, so I've only bought $500 of it. But we can't value it. But it has cash. It's based in Germany. I like the structure and I love the project. I think that's got real legs. This could be like a Tesla taxi, if you like, because this is not a helicopter. This is not a drone. This is a jet, an electronic jet. This is what Elon Musk has been wanting to do. Just can't get around to it yet. This is like the Tesla of the electric plane. I like this, and I think this has got some legs. So I like this. So I bought some this morning, even though it's very speculative. Palantir charts are not looking good, so wait with jumping in if you see a drop one day. Niels, yeah, thank you. You're the Palantir guy. I'll always be listening to what you're saying on this. Inno Holdings, Umat Akin. We can do a full review. It is a membership perk, though. We can only do that for members. We've got a whole list for members. Members are the only people that can get reviews. And you can go right to the top if you give a super chat. However, at the moment, that top spot is reserved for Patrick G for the next review. But yes, you can have a review on Inno Holdings, but you'd have to be a member for that. I picked up 10 shares. John Granford did. He bought 10. Okay, it's down to 103 now. So I don't like buying penny stocks. However, everything was a penny stock. Well, not everything, but Tesla didn't start very well when it first started, let's be honest. So anyway, SpaceX, even though it's private, nearly went bust in the last minute. I've no idea either, just trying to provide the best. Niels, thank you very much indeed for your honesty. I appreciate it. So there we go. Let's have a look. How many voted? 23 votes. 39% of you did. That's interesting. That's quite a few. 24 24 votes. That's about 9 of you bought it with me this morning. That's interesting. I bought 47 shares, says Rallo. Very nice indeed. How many shares have I got? 500 shares. Yeah, I got 500 shares. Yeah, cool. In for 1,000 at 105. Chris Coyle. Chris, by the way, members, if you want to call in, please feel free. Members can always call in and be here in this space. The phone line is open. You don't need any software. It's martynlucas.com/live. If anybody wants to call in, just ask me the password and I will give it you. You can video call into the show, share screens, share information. I would love to know what everyone thinks today about Lilium NV. So if you want to phone in, you can. I scooped up 200 shares. Matthew Kelly, nice. In for 1,000 shares, 105. I bought 47. Evening all, Brickmark. NV refers to Dutch phrase, Namloos Ventuts Chap. What does it actually mean? What does NV actually mean? I'd like to know. I've seen it a few times. What does it actually mean? Martin, I've seen a lot of YouTube ads with crypto leaders and other CEOs like Elon Musk seemingly promoting marketing products, except it's not actually them. AI generated. Is that illegal? It's not illegal, no. It's not illegal. You can create content. YouTube don't take no responsibility for your content. If it is reported that it's scam, then you can be taken down. But technically, no, it's not illegal at all. YouTube, it's entertainment. Hello, look at Lilium. Look at Lilium. If you're using, for a moment, I thought it was going to go then. If you're using YouTube as financial advice, it's your mistake. You shouldn't be. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment. What I'm doing now is entertainment. But yeah, I've seen it. There are loads of videos, people making money. But let me be absolutely clear. A lot of those channels aren't monetized because even though they might have ads on those videos, they might not actually be receiving any money, because what happens is if you are doing something which is not approved by YouTube terms of service, if you're streaming something or a video or something and you monetize it because you've got the 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers, right? And there are ads on it, it doesn't mean you're going to earn any money. And I know from experience, because my music channel is monetized and I can put ads on my music channel, but I don't earn any money because it goes to the copyright owner. Now, this is slightly different, of course, because they're not producing music, but if what they're producing is fraudulent or misleading in any way, then people can report it and the ads that appear will be null and void. You might see an ad, but it won't actually pay the YouTuber, the person who owns the channel, the creator, any money. So you can make a video on anything, but it probably won't earn you any money if you're conning people and manipulating people. It probably get flagged and you know, whatever. But yeah, it's just the way the world is, I'm afraid. It's clearly obvious. Oh my God, Bill is back. Bill we've got Father Christmas, Bill. Look, we got Bill, he's back. Father Christmas has come back. Can you believe it? Father Christmas is back. Look at this. Father Christmas is back. He's just donated 5 memberships. Very, very kind. Please, if you just want a membership from Bill, he's a retired war veteran. Please do thank him if you've just won a membership. Jan Lernby, Jan has become a member. Congratulations. If you've just received a membership, Ty Redmond bought 1,000 shares of LLIM. Wow, Bill, look at that. Bill has just bought 5 memberships. Martin Young has just won a membership. Congratulations to you. B. Joel, nice one, Bill. Pete Barker has just won a membership. Martin Young, Jenny has received a membership. Niels has received a membership. Lilium is trying to break out all of a sudden. And Jenny has become a member. There you go. Please do make sure that you thank Bill for that. It's very, very kind of Bill. Very, very kind indeed. There we go. Several members. Let me just celebrate there. Whoops. That didn't work. There you go. There you go. Congratulations. A few members there. Lovely stuff. Please do make sure that you thank Bill for that. Very, very kind. He is a retired war veteran who's, trying. He loves to support the show rather than buy stocks and shares. He supports the show and does that. Now, those of you that won a membership, you have all the benefits other than, of course, when you win a free membership, you don't get access to Discord, so you can't call into the show because we don't know who you are yet. You know. But if you renew your membership in a month, then you have all the benefits. Okay, so there you go. But everything else you can have a review of a stock and answer all your questions. Brilliant. Okay. Oh, I see. Same as Inc. or PLC. Incorporated. I'm an LLC. Limited liability company. PLC is publicly limited company. And then you've got so NV then is the Netherlands. That's what it means. Okay. I bought 75 shares. Jenny says. There we go. Please thank Bill. He's been very generous to do that. It's a lot of money he just spent there. He spent about 16, 17 US dollars, something like that. So nice of Bill. Yes, it is. Hi, Bill. It's a scary thought that someone can create an AI-generated video of you to pump a stock. Tilray, amazing. Good. Going to 100. They could. Now, of course, if I see anything like that, if they've, because I get notified of copyright. If people use my content, I see it all the time, and a lot of times I allow it. But if it's somebody trying to manipulate people, then I will flag it and report it, and it'll be deleted. So if anyone pinches my name, my logo, parts of my video, I see it. I get notified all the time, and most of the time I let it go because they're just trying to have some fun. But if anyone was trying to manipulate using my content in any way whatsoever, I would report it and take it down. So yeah. But it is bad, though, that, this is the world we live in now. Our Martyn Lucas Group owns all of the Lim shares. Yeah, it does. Yeah, we own the whole company. Oh, yeah. No worries. No worries at all. We do. There we go. Thanks, Bill. Hope Starbuck is good. Been watching your videos. That's nice. That's nice. That's really nice. Martin Young actually watches your videos, Bill. Thanks, Bill. I hope Starbuck is good. Been watching your videos. There you go. So one of the persons that has won here today is one of your fans, Bill. That's nice. That worked out nice, didn't it? Dawn Potterus, she got 120 shares this morning. Very, very nice indeed. I like it. There we go. Yes, Netherlands and Dutch influenced countries. Thank you ever so much, Niels, for that information. Brilliant. Jenny's thanked you. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Now, don't forget, guys, your memberships will expire. So should you wish to get all the benefits and perks and be part of the family, you will, and to continue your history, because you've got an introduction now to your membership, and you will be able to watch tomorrow's show if it's a members-only video now. If you want to renew it, you have to do that yourself. Create a video of Musk in his Virgin Galactic astronaut suit. Can't wait to fly this month. Yeah, I know. It's not good though, is it? Eh? We can't be having any of that. Right, let's have a look. We are a little bit down now. Technically, we need to go red, folks. Sorry about that. Sorry to ruin the party, but we are a little bit red. It's all gone dark in the studio once again. Virgin Galactic is holding up. Palantir. We need Martini Racer. That's what we need. Martini Racer. Yes. Now Martini Racer likes Sidhu. He might like this. I agree with you. If Martini Racer comes in and buys $450,000 worth of Lilium, it will probably go up. I'll try and get him on the show. Is Martini Racer here? Martini Racer. You're right. And if he comes in now and buys it cheaper than me, there's going to be hell up. No, he's not in the minute. Let's keep looking out for him. Is Jose Quintana in? Jose is Jose Quintana in? Lost my place. I've gone completely mad. Oh, I didn't mean Jose. I meant Antonia De La Cruz. That's what I meant to say. Antonia De La Cruz. Lim Derek. Is Lim here? Lim Derek. G Corey. No. What about, who else have we got? Brian. No, Brian's not here. Okay. Never mind. Cham, Martin, any advice on SoFi? Now, I like the concept, but it's no secret that I don't like the CEO. The CEO, and at the end of the day, I cannot buy a company, and I would sell out of a company if I thought the CEO was talking nonsense. And that's what got me out of Tesla at one point before I fully understood Elon Musk. The CEO of SoFi is a lunatic. I watch all the earnings. We've got the earnings season starting again next week, so get ready for earnings season. We're going to be covering all our stocks, even the rubbish ones. Yeah, even you know which one, Tilray, you know which one. We're going to cover all the earnings. And I will tell you now that the CEO has no idea what he's talking about. The CEO said on multiple earnings that interest rates were going to come down last year, and nobody else in the money world was agreeing with that. Nobody else was agreeing with that. It was absolute flipping nonsense. And if you are a CEO of a company that's a money business, you know, it's fintech, you should at least understand how the markets work, inflation, the Fed, and so on. And this person has no flipping clue. So I was very unimpressed. And they kept saying it. And I found out they were saying it to manipulate the market of their stock. Boom, I'm out. I was in before that. And as soon as I saw that, I'm out. If anyone behaves like that, running a company that I own, I'm out. Because I don't want nothing to do with it. Because it's rubbish. It's irresponsible. It's pumping your own stock. It's talking trash. You don't know what you're on about. I mean, either that person didn't know what they're on about, or they're trying to pump the stock. Either way around, I don't want anything to do with it. So I got out. If you want a fintech stock, my advice would be, and I can't give advice, my advice would be Robinhood. I know Robin's a brokerage, but it's also fintech. It's a digital bank also. It's got a credit card. It's got a debit card. For me, this is not the same, but this is a much better one, well-run company. They understand money. They understand the markets. That's why I'm buying Robinhood. But I can't touch SoFi. It might be cheap right now, but it's badly managed, and I can't buy a badly managed company. Simple as that. I'll buy more LLIM tomorrow when I get paid. Carlos Martinez. SoFi is a great buy now. Neil said, I won't touch it. Don't care if it's 1 pence. I won't buy it again. Once you've come out talking rubbish, I'm done with you. That's it. No My friends will always say Martyn doesn't suffer fools. No. If you expose yourself as a fool, I'm not interested. I ain't wasting my time talking to you. All right. Did you buy, Neil? Says Cham. Cham, Wickerbody. No, because I have difficulties on understanding the business, but I know it's a good price now. Been watching for a year. Why do you think it's a good business? Bought 500. Are you talking about Lilium NV? Well, you really want to watch. We're about to end the show. Robinhood CEO is a clown. No, he's not. Do you know, was you in on the GameStop? Grippy, was you in on the GameStop saga? Come on, tell the truth. Was you in the GameStop? Was you in on GameStop? Because that's the only people that I know of who think that Vlad Tenev is a clown. People that were involved in GameStop. No. You shouldn't have been involved in GameStop. If that's the case, you were all taken up the garden path by Roaring Kitty, who lied about his name, pretended to be somebody else, got everybody to buy a stock that they had no business buying, and all exchanges halted trading, just like Robinhood. It's the way the markets work. And because people couldn't have their own way, who didn't know what they were doing, they all got upset with Vlad Tenev. It's what Vlad Tenev did, what was any brokerage did, and did at the time. So, no. Ridiculous. It's a very well-run company. Well, I've no idea why it's a good business. It's weird how the board operates. Well, I've no idea why it's a good business. It's weird how the board operates. Yeah, I won't touch it. Anyway, as soon as there's a crack like that, there's 1,000 other companies that are better. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, we've got 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. It's a bit of a sell-off day, a bit rubbishy right now. I've had a good day. I've bought something, and whatever. It's we're finding some value now in the stock market. Things are going down a bit, and I can live with that. But we've got earnings season around the corner. Right. So anyway, here is the world premiere. We're going to go there in a few minutes. Join me. Live conversation continues after the show, of course. Live Q&A. I'll be there with you, watching it with you, enjoying a nice drink. So join me for that. This is what we're going to watch together. Where is it? What are we going to watch? Here's me saying here we're going to watch something. What are we going to watch? What we're going to watch? Lord of the Rings. Debbie Does Dallas. What are we going to do? Yeah, we're going to watch Lilium. Everyone's going, what did he just say? What did he, rewind that. What did he just say? There you go. Debbie Does Dallas. Remember that? I think I was 18 when I got introduced to that. Anyway, Lilium analysis. Right, we're going to watch this. Whether you like it or not, you're going to watch it, all right? Not Debbie Does Dallas. We're going to watch this. All right, so join me for that. And then, of course, in the morning, we'll be doing this. And it might be members only. We're still running a poll on it. And that's in the morning. And don't forget, check out the video that you missed to win yourself $100 in cash and my plan for the year. All right, on the video page. Okie dokie. Martin, with all the Middle East tension, do you think oil prices will climb? Yes, they will, and they already are. They've dipped today, which is kind of odd. But yes, Chevron, I'm waiting to sell for a 10% profit. You just got to wait. We've got a big thing with Hexo. Is it Exo? Hex, I keep forgetting. It goes through in the spring again. So you got to wait, but... yeah, we've seen oil start to go up. I'm watching the price of oil all the time. This is how I do it. Let me share with you some inside secret information. No one knows this stuff, right? We got the bell in a few seconds. Have I got time to show you? I think I have. Over here, I go into here and I go into, where is it? Not the heat map, not the heat map. Where is it? Stocks, here we go. And I've got my oil prices down here. There we go. There's my crude oil. And I'm waiting, I'm going to trade oil at $90 a barrel and buy it at 50. That's essentially what I do. That's what I am doing now. Right, 15 seconds to go. Let's get ready to rock and roll in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. There we go. And what, are we turning green on the bell? What's all that about? What's going up in the after hours? Oh, nothing. Just a little correction of the chart. I got all excited then for a minute. I thought, hello. McDonald's information here, good, has warned for losses in the Middle East. Well, that's no surprise there. But I'm not concerned because it's not about selling burgers. It's about land. Land isn't going anywhere, no matter how many burgers you eat or don't eat. Let's have a look. Are you allowed to do that YouTube? Are you allowed to do that on YouTube, Martin? Have a watch party for a movie? No, you're not. I can't play a movie, no. If I play a movie, the video will get flagged for copyright and it'll just go off air. I've tried it. I've tested it. I did it on an Apple earnings where I was just streaming their content and it went off. Yeah, if you're streaming somebody else's content, there's a recognition software that picks it up and it's simply you just go off air, you know. Yeah. So no, you can't do that. Are you allowed to do a watch party, have a watch party for a movie, or is it copyrighted? Yeah. Yeah, I could have a watch party of my movie, but not anybody else's. Why not hold Chevron for the long run? Jonas Van Haver. Because I want a clear margin. That's why. I absolutely agree you could hold Chevron for the long term. However, I'm not into oil. I don't see oil as a future. Yes, I know oil will always be around. Plastics, many things. Oil isn't everything. We're always going to have oil. I get it. And a lot of oil companies now are going into renewables and everything else. I get it. However, it's not something I'm interested in. So when I sell this, I'll have about $7,000 or $8,000 and it'll reduce my margin. It was always bought for that reason, to make some money when it was down, or at least to get it down, and then to trim it to bring down margin. I can't hold everything forever because, you know, at the end of the day, I've got to sell something. Otherwise, I'll have margin forever. And I'm paying 8% a year. Well, that's 8% a year, you know. I've got to pay it down at some point. Now, if I can earn more money on YouTube and I start earning, you know, double and triple the amount I'm earning now, then I can start paying down my margin without selling anything. That's what I'd prefer to do, and that's what I have been doing. But you know, I've got to keep it in balance. But yeah, I would rather hold it, but to be honest with you, I would rather sell Chevron and buy something else. I'd rather buy more Tesla. Up 0.63 today, better than losing. Indeed, always watching oil barrel prices. Stephen Lewandowski's doing it for me. Stephen Lewandowski's now, I've got my man just watching what's going on. He'll tell me what to do. All right, okay. So we're just about to come to the end of the show. It's time to rock and roll. Oil Man Stephen, Crypto Man Sensei, Palantir Guy Niels, Mohammed Fatil Ray. Do you have any more? Yep. I've got an army of people all telling me, Martin, it's time to get rid of this, time to get rid of that. Absolutely. Which means you've all got access to that information, right? Okay. Lilium. Come on, Lilium. Let's have a little pop on the after hours. Let's have a little bit of fun, shall we? Right. So let's go and check a couple of things. How many likes have we got on the show today? Does everyone like the video? We've got just a few minutes before the premiere. Let me smash the like button. You ready? How many have we got? Let's have a look. This is looking abysmal. It can't be right. I'm going to refresh it, right? We got 62 watching, which means quite a quiet day, isn't it, really? 62. So only 30%, only 50% can do it. One. That ain't right. It's got to be 30, otherwise I'm going to kick off. 29. There you go. We're one short. Who hasn't liked the video? One person hasn't done it. Come on, sort your life out. One of you hasn't done it. Unbelievable. Shall I check it again? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 29. It's got to be 30. There you go. That wasn't so hard, was it? Was that so hard? No. Right. Let's have a little look. 13,515. We're growing faster. We're actually doubling our rate of growth now every month. Martin is my end phase man. There you go. I'm the end phase man. I'm the end phase. I'm the solar man. All right. Okay. 8,000. What's the most important? What's trending most? Virgin Galactic Short Squeeze. 1,094 views. That's the most popular thing at the moment. All right. It's Martini's fault. Lilm didn't pop. I know. If Martyn Racer was here, the world would be a different place. But he ain't, is he? So ain't nothing we could do about it. Don't you worry. I'll get him on the show. We'll get him on the show, John. Don't worry about it. And he'll come in and go, I just bought it at 78 cents. That's what will happen. Right. Let's have a look. Have we got 54 votes now? It's getting very, very tight now. 35%. Now, I have said, remember, there's a lot more general public than there is members. So I've said, if it gets this close, it's going to be members only. I'm not joking. It's not about views or numbers to me. I want just to provide the best service. All right. Now, I'm not on about members only chat. I'm on about members only live stream. That's what I'm talking about. All right. So 30, I would have said most of my members are going, yeah, do it members only. Anyway, 35. Let's get everyone to vote. Don't forget, I can put the video after. Who's the spaceman? Me. I'm the spaceman. Flipping heck. Of course I'm the spaceman. That's my job. Get out of it. Right. Sensei's back on Sunday. Hey, we got a big crowd for Lilium tonight. There's already people waiting, and you're all still here. Martini or Zaxate? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I am the spaceman. Here he is. Here he is. Martyn Racer. I'm very busy with some phone calls. Get off the phone, Martyn Racer. We got words to have with you. We did a review today for Lilium NV. It's a vertical takeoff craft, but it's not like a helicopter. It's not like a giant drone. It's an electronic jet. This is what Elon Musk wanted to do, and he will do one day, I'm sure. But it's an electronic plane, but it's a jet, not propellers. I reckon this is more the future, and it's really cheap right now. I say it's cheap. We don't know it's cheap because there's no value on it. It's not doing anything yet. It's got some business. I love what they're doing. We just reviewed it. I bought 500 shares. And apparently everyone says if you buy a ton of these, right, the stock's going to go up because it's a tiny, tiny company. So anyway, we're going to do our review now. So I'm bricking it. All my cash is on stocks. Not been holding overnight for 5 weeks. Squeaky bum. It's the future of space travel. I will look at it. Right. Great. Martyn Racer's looking at it. This is going to be my new Virgin Galactic. I'm going to rank number 1 on this within days, I'm telling you, because no one else has even touched it yet. No one's even seen it. You are the crazy dancing investor man. That's me. I'll take it. I'll take it. Right. So anyway, if you want to know all about it, roll up, find out all about it. But this is Lilium analysis. We're doing the analysis now in 6 minutes time. So I will see you all back in the morning. This video is going... Oh, hang on. Is this video going directly to the Premiere? Let's have a look. Customization. Yes, it is. Let's go into that video, right? And then this video will go to the morning show and we'll see if it's going to be members only or not. Depends on the vote. Wait. I need free cash if it's going to pump. Yeah, Martyn Racer, if you're going to buy 1 million shares, can you just check with Paul Knowles first? But whatever you do, don't ask Paul Knowles to send you an email. Don't ask him to enter a competition for you using email. Don't bother. We did it this morning. It became the Paul Knowles show, and I'll never get over it. The stress it caused me. I must have aged 3 years this morning because of Paul Knowles. It was very stressful. Very stressful, ladies and gentlemen. Very stressful time for me, I have to say. But there you go. Anyway, let's get out of here. I ain't got time for this. I got stuff to do. There's got to be something more important than this, than talking to Paul Knowles about a flipping competition. How do I get an email? Oh my dear God. Anyway, we ain't going through that again. Right. All right. There we go. Virgin Galactic. It's going up. It's going up today because tomorrow they know we're coming. They know we're coming. Yep. Yep. The army, the Lucasades are coming in the morning. Sorry, I'm in the crazy dancing, singing investor man. Okay. That's even better then. All right. So are you ready? It's time to go over to our world premiere. Is everyone coming to join me? Of course you are. Where else are you going to go? What else are you going to do? So let me give you the world premiere. We're going to do Lilium analysis. Join us for the live Q&A. Be part of it. Is Lim Derrick in the house? G. Corey in the house? Antonio Dela Cruz in the house? Brian Bynum in the house? Pat M. R3A or Michelle. If any of you are in the house, let me know. Okay. I think that's it. Yes. So, there we go. Let me, am I up or down today? Should we do day trader of the day? Yes, I'm down 0.65. Down 0.65 percentage points. There we go. All right. So, everybody, are you ready? Should we roll the credits? Should we bring on the funky music? Shall we flash the lights? Shall we dance around the room? Thought Lilium was a VTOL, like Joby. Nowhere near as big. It is a VTOL, but it's a jet, not propellers. Vertical takeoff and landing. Yes, but it's a jet, not propellers. It's not a giant helicopter. It's not a drone. It's a jet. This is the sort of thing that Tesla would do. So if you join me, Mr. Pete Barker, in a minute, you will see, look, no propellers. Jets. Looking very good. Look, jets. See? Very, very good. We like it. Anyway, all right. Let's do it. Let's get out of here. Tomorrow, as always, the Phoenix shall rise. Virgin Galactic will short squeeze. Let's get ready. Are you up? You down? Let's get ready for the premiere. Showtime.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony.
Yeah.
Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Okay, are you up? Are you down? Jose Quintana, 3.06. Look at that. That's got 3.32 down. Jose Quintana might be tempted, Martin. I know. This is what I'm saying. Down 2.59. Up 1.03. Up 1.1. The winner is Cherry, down 2.59. 3.06. There's our winner. There we go. There's the winner. Stars of our show. Woohoo! New members, subscribers, Kevin, members, Jada Stick, Niels, Jenny, Martin Young, Jan Learnby Jan, Pete Barker. We've now got another gold member. A gold member today. That's our new gold member was Jada Stick from the United States of America. And we're just about to go into our premiere. Here is the link. Make sure that you join me. It's going to be a good one. Keep the live chat going. Let me give it to everybody. Here we go. drop it into LinkedIn. There's the premiere. Let me give it to my Kicksters. There we go. Let me give it to my Rumblers. There is the world premiere. Here we go. Let's give it to my Facebook audience. Let me give it to my Twitchers. Stars of the show, thank you very much. And of course, X. Let's go into X. There we go, post that. World premiere time. Here we go, it's just about to start. God, what a life. You better have a laugh. That's it from me. Thank you very much for joining me. Time to get out. I'll see you all back in a few minutes. The premiere is about to begin. Thank you to all of you. Come and join me. It's going to be a great one tonight. And then back in the morning. It might be members only. Depends on our poll. Get ready for LILM. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto. Most importantly, as always, take care of each